Hello my dear students, in this video we are starting with continent South America. In the last videos we learned about North America. So here I am going to explain about South America. Before starting the lesson, we should know about the facts and figures of South America. First, major mountains. Andes, it is the major mountain. And what is major desert? Atacama is the major desert, and Maracaibo is the largest lake. And what is the highest peak? Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak. And what is the longest river? Amazon. Amazon is the longest river. And what was the chief minerals and fuels in South America? Iron ore, copper, tin, silver, emerald, petroleum. These are the chief minerals and fuels in South America. And what are the chief crops, important crops? Maize, wheat, rice, cassava, potatoes, coffee, cocoa, sugarcane, bananas. These are the chief crops. And what are the chief cities? Santiago, Caracas, Quito, Bogota, Lima, Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo. These are the important or chief cities in South America. So we learned about mountains, desert, lakes, peak, rivers, chief minerals and fuels, chief crops, and chief cities. All of you please learn the names of these facts and figures related with South America. And it is the longest mountain system. South America has the longest mountain system. What is that? It is Andes. Andes. South America has the longest mountain system, the greatest river and largest area under rainforest in the world. South America has the longest mountain, greatest river and largest area under rainforest in the world. And what is the greatest river in the world? It is the Amazon. Okay. And the Europeans came to know about this continent in 1498. The Europeans, they came to know about this continent in the year of 1498. When the Christopher Columbus reached the mouth of river Orinoco, it is in Venezuela, now in Venezuela, and soon the Native American Indians were subdued and the whole continent was colonized, mainly the Spain and Portuguese. The Spain and Portugal, they made their colonies, and colonial rule lasted for about 300 years, and the customs, language and religion of Spain and Portugal are deeply rooted in South America today. Why? Because Spain and Portugal made colonies there, and this colonial rule lasted for about 300 years. So the customs, language, religion, okay, it is deeply rooted in South America today. And South America, Central America, Mexico and the Caribbean islands are together known as Latin America. What is Latin America? The America, Central America, Mexico and the Caribbean islands are together known as Latin America. The early Europeans settled in South America came from Southern Europe. Early European settlers in South America came from Southern Europe, and they used language such as French, Spanish, Portuguese and Italian. And it is derived from the ancient language Latin. They used language like French, Spanish, etc. And this language is derived from ancient old language Latin. And these languages are still common in South Central America. That is why this region is called Latin America. Okay, the languages are derived from Latin, and it is now also common in South and Central America. So this region is called Latin America. Most of the America lies in the southern hemisphere. I already taught you what is southern hemisphere, isn't it? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and I hope that all of you know. And South America is linked to North America through the Isthmus of Panama. Most of the South America, it lies in the southern hemisphere, and it is linked to North America through a canal, isthmus of Panama. The Panama Canal on this isthmus links the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. South America looks like a triangle. All of you know the shape of triangle? Yes, three corners are there in triangle. Okay, and South America looks like a triangle, and its apex being marked by Cape Horn. Okay, these are the introduction part of this lesson. In this lesson, we discussed about important mountains, deserts, lakes, peaks, rivers, minerals and fuels. And we discussed about crops and chief cities. And South America, Central America, Mexico and the Caribbean islands are together known as Latin America. The early European settlers, they came from Southern Europe, and they used language such as French, Spanish, Italian, etc., etc., and these languages are derived from Latin, and this language is still using in South and Central Asia. So these areas are called Latin America. I hope that all of you understood up to here. Read again and again, okay? And if you have any doubt about any sentence, you can ask through the comments. Okay.